Want an easy way to receive money through PayPal? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create your PayPal link step by step. First, log into your PayPal account, then go to Settings. From there, look for Complete Your Personal Profile. If you already finished that step, you may see Edit Your Personal Profile instead. Next, click Create PayPal.me profile. This is where you set up your personal payment link. You can add a photo, then choose a username that is simple, professional, and easy to remember. This will become part of your PayPal.me link. After that, confirm your details. Once everything looks good, agree to the terms and create your profile. After your PayPal.me profile is active, you can manage it anytime from your account settings. Now you can share your PayPal link with clients, friends, or customers by text, email, or social media. When they open the link, they can send you money quickly and securely. And that's it. Your PayPal link is ready to use. Thanks for watching ClearTask, and stay tuned for more simple tech tutorials.